To news now from the courts. The Supreme Court has rejected an application by the attorneys for former Education Minister Ruel Reid and his co-accused for leave to challenge a ruling by the judge at his fraud trial. The defense had applied to the Supreme Court for a judicial review of a ruling by trial judge Ruel, who refused their application to throw out the case. More in this report from Robinson.
During the trial date in October last year, the attorneys led by Hugh Waldman had contended that the indictment order, the legal document forming the basis of the trial, only names Mr. Reid and co-accused Professor Fritz Pinnock and makes no direct mention of the other three accused, Mr. Reid's wife Sharon, daughter Sherelle, and Counsellor Kim Brown Lawrence. Mr. Waldman told the court that this cannot be cured and said the trial is proceeding on an order that is non-existent. He argued that the case should be dismissed as a result. But Senior Parish Judge Ruel disagreed, ruling that all five accused fall within the ambit of the indictment and that trial will proceed. After hearing the application for leave for judicial review by Mr. Waldman, the Supreme Court today rejected the application. In dismissing the application, the Supreme Court said the application did not meet the threshold test and it did not have a realistic prospect of success. The court further argued that the attorneys failed to demonstrate that the trial judge acted without jurisdiction or in excess of jurisdiction in rejecting that application to throw out the case. In the absence of a clear demonstration to that effect, the Supreme Court made it clear that the application for leave to apply for judicial review was hopeless. The court also rejected an application by the attorneys to stay the trial. The attorneys for Counsellor Kim Brown Lawrence were not a party to the application. Prosecutors have told the court that between March 2016 and October 2019, the five accused, Reid, his wife Sharon Reid, who was employed to the Caribbean Maritime University CMU as manager of legal affairs, their daughter Sherelle Reid, Counsellor Kim Brown Lawrence, and a former president of CMU Fritz Pinnock participated in a scheme with others unknown which siphoned off more than $25 million from both the Ministry of Education and the CMU. The fraud trial resumes next month in the St. Andrew Parish Court. All five accused are facing charges of conspiracy to defraud. Mr. Reid and Mr. Pinnock are also charged with acts of corruption. Mr. Reid, his wife, daughter, and Mrs. Brown Lawrence are charged with acquiring and handling criminal property. They're also accused of participating in arrangements to retain those assets. Robinson, TVJ News.